Yes, hello guys, welcome back again to this tutorial and welcome back again to No Max TV. So you can see now in this computer I have an issue which is saying that this site can't be reached. So as you see, this site cannot be reached. It means that it's an issue which may be happening in my computer, or which may be happening to the domain name I'm visiting, which is not allowing me to be accessing the website that I want to be accessing on my browser. So what you have to do to solve this issue, for example, you see when you click here on this option, when you click on this option, which is try learning Windows network diagnostics, you can see I'm going to get the information which are different from. You see, I can have an issue. Sometimes I can have an issue like this, which is saying that your DNS is might not be available. So your DNS server might not be available. So now I want to be talking about how you can be solving this issue if it comes to happen in your computer, so that you can be browsing as usual in your computer without any difficulties like this. So if you did not subscribe to this channel, Nomax TV, subscribe to the like this video, share this video to your friends, and turn notification bell button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at Nomax TV. So let's get started step by step, or watch the video step by step and see how you can do this. So for the first step, you have to open first, you have to open cmd. So I have to come here in the search bar, then I open cmd or command prompt in my computer. After opening command prompt in my computer, you see, yes, after opening command prompt like this, I double click on it to open it. You see I have options here so that I can be starting to type this also in my computer. When I learn this in my CMD, also all the issues are going to be solved. What you have to know first is to be able to follow the steps by steps that I'm going to be following in this video. So first of all, after opening it, you have to type this. You type NES win sock reset. Yes, next we insert reset, then you press enter. So you see now they told you that the requested operations requires elevation so that as administrator. So after typing this, you can see now you need to be typing an information to allow that administrator to run as an administrator. What you have to do again is to put another thing which is called ipconfig, then you put a slash, then you put flash DNS. So when you are flash DNS, you see ipconfig flash DNS, then you press enter. So you see now they say that Windows IP configuration successfully flashed the DNS resolver cache. So after this, the last step to do, or the last thing to do, so that you can illustrate your computer, is that you have to type this ipconfig ipconfig enter IP reset. So after this, also have to press enter. Once you press enter button, also you see now they give you various options saying that the default is to display only the IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway for each adapter, bound to ICP also for the release. And so you can see they give you information about example, show informations, or show detailed information. You can see you are getting also various details. So after this, what you have to do is to restart your computer, and once you restart your computer, it is going to come back while it is fresh and while it is working well. Your network is going to be working well, and you are not going to be experiencing or having an issue like this one. So after restarting your computer, also you can see that also you are not still having that challenge also of this saying that your this site can't be reached. So you can be able to be using internet while on your computer without any other difficulties. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe or like this video, share this video to your friends, and turn on the notification bell button so as you always get notified when we upload new video here at No Max TV.